Home cleaning materials. Today's world is very busy and hectic at the same time. Many of us are very busy trying to make ends meet, putting in that extra effort to better your standards of living, but all these come at a cost. We all neglect the time needed to clean our homes, workplaces and the environment in general. This may necessitate the need for hiring home cleaning service providers to do the job for you. However, it does not mean that the cleaning company will have the best choice of materials to help your specific needs. Below is a list of some of the best materials you can find in 1. Easy Trap Dusting System. Mostly works on horizontal surfaces. Works in wet conditions. It is easy to attach a duster. 2. Wet Mopping Easy Scrub Flat Mop System. This device carries chemicals and other cleaners that it dispenses on surfaces during mopping so as to remove stains of different dirt from the worksite. 3. Holders and Utility Pads. Designed for most home cleaning purposes, this device is used to clean a wide range of heavy and lightweight dirt. 4. Floor Sweepers. This material is used to whisk away debris and other dirt from almost all types of floor surfaces that include and are not limited to carpets, wood matting, tiles, linoleum and entryway matting. This device can also be used to pick lightweight items like straws, lettuce, popcorn, wrappers and any other light material from the floor surfaces. 5. Microfiber Cloth. This material provides ultra-cleaning prowess due to Kit's knitted and closely interwoven construction of microfibers that absorb water and oil. These microfibers lift and trap oil, grease, solvents and other dust and dirt particles leaving clean surfaces.